Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Now let's go through the website. This is the home page. You can see the hover effect on the navbar elements, and you can see the typing effect JavaScript that we have used for this typing effect. Then you can see the hover effect on the buttons and as well as social media icons. Then you can see the hover effect on the portfolio image. You can see a 3D effect. Then we can go to the about me section. You can see we have integrated the icons, as well as you can see the hover effect, the color change, as well as the 3D look and resume button as well. You can see the movement of icon. Then we can go to the skills and skills section. You can see hover effect on the skills. You can see a 3D button effect. We have integrated all the skills. Then my education section, hovering effect. Then we can go to the project section. You can see the 3D button, as well as we can view as well as code. Then we can also go to the experience section. You can see how neatly we have aligned one after the other. Then can't get in touch, that is, you can see the border when we are typing any data into it. The border is changing. At the same time, the submit button, the footer, you can see the hover effect on the icons, and up arrow button to move back to the starting page. And you can see about, skills, education, then work. The work is also integrated to another page, so when you click on it, you will be taken back to a next page that we have integrated here. You can go back to the starting page by back to home page button. It goes for the experience also. When you view all, you will be taken to another page that we have linked. You can go back to the home page. The entire website is responsive, that is, it is also available in mobile as well as in tab version. It can be accessed in different devices. Let me show you in a second. Just 1 second. Let me show you this. The website is entirely responsive, and just give me a second. I will show you the mobile as well as the tab versions of the website. So this is the mobile version of the website. You can see home page. Then you can see the transition effect, smooth transition effect, revealing, and you can see how neatly they have all been aligned. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, beginner friendly, and you can see the hover effect as well as menu bar. The website is also available in tab version, tab as well as the desktop versions too. So it's a very professional website, portfolio website. You can use it for your resume building. It will be a very good project for you. It will be a very good impression to the recruiters for your first job, landing your first job. I hope you like the website. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.